Easy Worship allows you to display alerts using the Alerts button on the toolbar. There are Nursery alerts for your live output and Message alerts for your live output and foldback. To use Nursery alerts, click the Alerts button on the toolbar and enter a message or number in the Alerts field and click Add to show it on your live output screen. If you want to remove the alert before it times out, you can click the X next to that alert in the Alerts window. To create a general message alert on the live output, click the Alerts button on the toolbar, and then click the Message Alert dropdown, and select Add Simple Message Alert. Type in your message and press Enter or click OK. If you have multiple alerts in queue, Easy Worship will rotate between them one at a time. If you only want to show one until it expires, you can select that alert and click Priority. If you want to delete the alert before it expires, you can click the X next to that alert in the list. If you have a message alert you need to use regularly, you can click the Message Alert dropdown and select Create Edit Alert Template. To create a new alert template, click the plus button in the bottom left corner. Type in your alert name, choose your font settings and type in your message. If you want to change the display method, click the drop-down and choose Static, Scrolling, or Scrolling when needed. You can also set how many times you want it to display. When you're finished creating the alert template, you can click OK to save that alert. You can also create tokens and add them to your alerts. A token is basically a variable, like a countdown clock, or specific text that you can easily add to the alert. To add a new token, click on Tokens in the Edit Alert window and click Add. Type the name of your token and select the type of token you want to use. For this example, I'll choose Countdown to Service Start. Select the time format you want, and if you want to allow overrun, and click OK. Now that the token is created, I can attach it to my alert by clicking the Tokens drop-down and double-clicking on the token I want. If it doesn't attach where you want it to, you can drag and drop it to a different location. Since I'm using a countdown clock, I want it to display this alert until the countdown ends. So under Display Count, I'll choose Until Token Expiration. And under Token Name, I'll click the drop-down and select the token I added to the alert. And then click OK. Once I'm finished creating my alert template, I can click Close on that window. Now you're probably wondering, how do I set up what time my service starts, so when I use that alert, it shows the correct time? You can do that by going to the Edit menu, then click Options, and then Service Intervals. Click the Add button to start a new service interval. Choose the day of your service and the start and stop times. For this example, I'll just use Sunday at 10 a.m. While you're in the Options menu, you can click on Alerts under Live to set up your alert settings. You can enable or disable your Nursery and Message alerts, set your font settings, background color, opacity, location, and scroll speed. For the Nursery alerts, you can set the time on the screen before it's automatically removed. Click on Alerts and Clocks under Foldback if you're using the Foldback display. You can set the same settings there for the Foldback message alerts. You can also enable the service interval option for Foldback and set the settings for that. If you created multiple service intervals, this will count down to the interval that is closest to your current date and time. Click OK to close the options window and save those settings. Now, if I click Alerts on the toolbar and click the Message Alert dropdown and select my alert template, you'll see my alert and the token counting down to my service time of Sunday at 10 a.m. To give you another example of tokens, I'll create another message template with a text token. Click on Alerts, Message Alert, Create Edit Alert Template. Click the plus button at the bottom and give the alert a name. Click the Tokens drop-down and click Add to create a new token. Give it a name and select Text as the type and click OK. Type in your message. In this case, I'll type in that a car with a certain license plate number still has the lights on. Then click Tokens and double-click the token you want to use. If it didn't attach in the correct location, you can drag and drop it where you want. On this example, I'll use Scroll when needed, which it will scroll since it's a long message, and the number of times I want it to display, and then click OK. Click Close on the editor. Now I can click on Alerts, then Message Alert, and select the alert and enter in the text I want the token to display and click OK. If you're using foldback display and want to display a message alert only on the foldback screen, click the Alerts button on the toolbar and choose Foldback at the top. You can create simple message alerts and templates for the foldback display the same way you do the live output. Thanks for watching and thanks for choosing Easy Worship.